I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 4. Focus on tongue. Okay, Jessica, say this sound.
E.
Good. And this sound?
Ooh.
Oh, well done. Slide from this sound to this sound.
Ew.
Okay, what we're going to do is focus on what our tongue is doing, how our tongue is moving from this sound to this sound. Take this straw and say this sound, E.
E.
And as you say the sound, put the tip of your straw onto the tip of your tongue. Ready? E. Good. Keep it there. Keep the tip of the straw against the tip of your tongue. Now, I want you to say this sound and then slide back to this sound. Ready? Let's go. Ew. Again. Ew. Good. Tell me, what happens to the straw?
The straw goes in when I sound to ooh.
Good. When you move from this sound to this sound and say this sound, ooh, the straw moves back into your mouth. Let's see, try it again, and let's see how far the straw moves back. So try and measure using your finger how far it goes back. Are you ready? Ew. Good, we got about the same. Your tongue moves back by this much. So, when you say this sound, E, tell me, Jessica, where is your tongue?
My tongue is behind my teeth.
Good. Is it behind your top teeth or your bottom teeth?
It is behind my bottom teeth.
Good. So when you say the E sound, your tongue is down behind your bottom teeth. E. Can you feel it?
E. Yes.
Yeah? And then when you go back to the ooh sound, what happens to your tongue?
Ooh. My tongue will move back when I sound ooh.
Good. When you say ooh, your tongue will move back towards the back of your mouth. E, your tongue is behind your teeth. When you say E, does the tip of your tongue touch your teeth?
Yes, my tip of my tongue touch my bottom teeth.
Good. The tip of your tongue touches the bottom of your teeth, and then ooh, you move your tongue back. Again?
Ew.
Well done, Jessica. That's excellent.